Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to add Amazon affiliate products to your Shopify store. By using affiliate links, we can promote products from Amazon and earn commissions without managing inventory or shipping. Now, on your Shopify dashboard, all we need to do is go to your apps. Once you have your apps, install the Amazon importer. After installing, you will see this kind of application here. This helps us connect Amazon to our Shopify. Once you have installed the Amazon importer, open a new tab and go to the Amazon website where you want to find the item to affiliate. Just choose the item you want to affiliate, for example, floating. Now, copy the URL, copy the link address, and then paste it here. Once you paste it, just click Import. Now, let's go to another example. Take this one, for example, it's not a urn. Here is the URL for this one. Let's choose this. It's not a URL. Now we need to click Import. Let's wait for the Amazon importer to load this one and set it up for you. Now it's done. As you can see, it is now here in the configuration for import. Next, import is active. Yes. Collection, no collection. Add products. Let's wait for this to load. Import is in progress. Once you're done, you can see we have an active product now in your Shopify. As we can see in your products, it is now added. It is not yet inventory tracked. If you want to inventory track this one, just click that and turn on your inventory track here. And that's it. That's how you can add Amazon affiliate products to your Shopify store. This method lets us monetize our site easily while leveraging Amazon's huge product range.